So to start off, I have a Black Angus chuck roast here that I'm going to throw in my crock pot. And then I'm going to show you the other ingredients. So then you take one sweet onion, or a regular white onion if you prefer. I like sweet ones. And you slice them into little half rings like this. And then we're going to put in 2 packs of reduced sodium brown gravy mix. You can use regular brown gravy mix. It's up to you. Okay, and now we are going to add some ranch seasoning. I use this stuff because there's no salt in it. However, you can just grab a packet of ranch seasoning mix if you don't want to use the no salt stuff. Otherwise, just sprinkle this in to your taste. You know, what looks like what would be in a packet, I guess. I kind of just throw some in. Okay, that's probably more like 2 packets of ranch seasoning mix. But anyways, now we're going to put in 2 cups of water with a couple packets of Ebates beef bouillon. It's salt-free beef bouillon. If you just want to put in 2 cups of beef broth that you have, that's fine too. Both works. Okay, so to clarify, instead of 2 cups of beef broth, I'd use 2 cups of water with 2 packets of Ebates no salt beef bouillon. So just want to clarify that. And then we put on the lid. And then we're going to put it on low temp for 8 hours. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So this is how it looks when it's all done. See, I shredded the beef. And now you've got this like delicious beef and thick juices. It's not like as thick as a gravy, but it's thicker than if you just use beef broth. And I've got some mashed potatoes, and we've got acorn squash that I roasted in the oven. I quartered the acorn squash, put it in the oven at 425 for 40 minutes, and I seasoned it with olive oil. And then this stuff, this is Flavor God pumpkin pie, their pumpkin pie seasoning, which is really good. So, but you could just put like pumpkin pie spices on it, or just nutmeg and cinnamon, or whatever. And that is the meal. Yum.